Couponing with Tisa.
Hey, everybody. Happy Sunday to you guys. It is Sunday, December the 10th. New week of deals at Walgreens. And I have to say, you guys, it's a good week to be at Walgreens. Lots of money maker deals. There's this 4-day promotional that's going on with P&G products. Still have that same digital spin booster. It's available through the entire month, so you don't have to worry about clipping anything. Once you clipped it once, it's applicable. And it's the spend 40, get $10 back in Walgreens cash, which you can double up if you have a paper booster. I don't have any. I'm gonna ask my associates in the store if they just happen to have something, behind the register or whatever. But yeah, definitely a good week to do some deals at the good Walgreens. So without further ado, let's head into the store.
Guys, again, if you need to stock up on some tissue, don't look over the Walgreens brand at $1.99, good to the end of the month. Another one, if you are brand loyal, is on the Cottonelle. They are $4.99 each. There is a $2 digital coupon we have that would take them down to just $2.99. Another good deal this week on paper products is the Viva. They are marked down to $4.99 each. Check your account. You may have a $1 off just for you digital coupon, which will take it down to just $3.99. Good deal going on the Gain products, the larger size ones. They are on sale this week for $9.99, and when you buy 2, you'll get back a $5 register reward. So what I would recommend doing is picking up one of the Gain flings, and then also picking up one of the liquid detergents at $9.99 as well. So picking up these both together is going to bring your total to $19.98, but we have a $3 digital coupon on the liquid, and we have a $3 digital coupon on the flings. That's going to leave you to pay $13.98, but you will get back a $5 register reward for picking up both of them. That's going to leave you at just about $4.50 for each one, which is not bad considering they're normally $11.99 each in the store. Also, don't forget, there is the other deal that is going on Gain products that are buy 4, get back to $5. So you can pick up the flings. Here they have a digital coupon of $1. You can pick up the liquid at $5.49. They also have a $1 digital. You can pick up the fabric softener at $5.49. They as well have a $1 digital as well. Picking up those 4, that'll leave you to pay $21.96, but you'll have all those digital coupons that you could use, taking you down to $17.96. Getting back that $5 register rewards, leave you at $3.24 for each one. Another laundry deal this week is on the Snuggle products. So you can either pick up the scent beads that are on sale for $3.99, or you can pick up like the dryer sheets. You can also pick up the Snuggle fabric softener, which is back over here. They're at, again, $3.99 each. There is a $1 digital, leaving you to pay $2.99, but you'll get back a $1 register reward, leaving you at just $1.99. Right, guys, so I missed out on this deal because my store only has one. Boo. But it's on this Gillette foam. As you can see, they're buy one get one half off, but there is a lovely $3 digital coupon that we have. So buy one get one half off. Now the online price is $3.49, but my store is $3.79. Most stores are $3.49, so I base it off that price. That'll be $5.23, but use that $3 off digital coupon. Now it was a just for you, I believe, so you may or may not get it, but you'll pay $2.23, getting back a $4 register reward, leaving them completely free, and a $1.77 moneymaker. So hopefully you guys can score. And just as FYI, guys, there is a whole bunch of items that are on clearance in the store. Some of these razors and whatnot. So just check your stores to see what's on clearance in yours, and check for digital coupons and whatnot. But yeah, pretty much the whole store is tagged, so get to Walgreens. I'm going to show you this really great deal that we're going to do on Crest and Oral-B products. You're going to be focusing on products that are marked for $4. So I'm going to pick up one of these charcoal toothbrushes that is marked for $4. And then I'm going to pick up one of the toothpaste that is also marked for $4. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up some of these floss picks here that are also marked for $4. And then lastly, I'm going to pick up the scope that is at $4, but if you find the Crest Pro Health at $4, you can pick that one up as well. Right, guys, I need to correct myself. You need to pick up the $5 products. The products are $5 to $8. Buy two, get back a $4 register reward. Now, there are still the $2 coupons for each of them. You'll still pick up four. So you'll get the $4 register reward and you'll get the $5 register reward for the promotion deal that's going on. The 4-day flash sale where you spend $8 to $14.99 and you'll get the register rewards back. So again, pick up four of the products, get the $4 register reward and the $5 register reward, which will lead them all to be completely free. So I'm telling you guys now because I messed up in store. Here is another deal that you guys can do this week on Colgate products. You're going to focus on the products that are marked for $4.50 each. I'm going to show you all of the products that are included in this deal. The second product I was going to show you guys was one of the toothbrushes, but they don't have any more that is marked for $4.50. They would normally be $5.99. So if you want a toothbrush, you can see if you have some in your store. If not, you can pick up an alternative product, which I'm about to show you. Is the mouthwash. So you can pick this up at $4.50. All right, guys, so here are two potential products that you can pick up. That'll bring your total to $9. But there are two $3 digital coupons that you can use. One, again, that's attaching to the mouthwash or the toothbrush, plus the Colgate toothpaste has its own $3 digital as well. That'll leave you to pay $3, but you'll get back a $3 register reward, leaving them to be completely free. If you're in need of some men's deodorant, you can consider the Old Spice. They are 2 for $13. When you buy two, you'll get back a $4 register reward. So I would recommend picking up two of them. There is a that will cost you $13. There is a $5 digital coupon that you can use, taking you down to just $8, but you'll get back that $4 register reward when you buy two of them, leaving you at just $4 or $2 each. All right, guys, I have a deal for you on some of the Soap and Glory products. These are on clearance in my store for $10.49, marked down from $13. You also have some over here, like this one that is marked down to just $9.19, and some that are $12.09. So I would concentrate on this one that's $9.19. I would then pair that with one of these number 7s that are marked down to $12.09. Picking up both is going to bring your total to $21.28. But they are buy one get one half off, so it's actually going to be a little bit cheaper than that. Plus, you have a $4 digital coupon for the Soap and Glory and a $5 digital coupon that is applicable to the number 7. My guess is typically it's going to be the lesser of the two products that's going to give you the 50% off. So the Soap and Glory will end up being 50% off. With the 50% off the Soap and Glory, your total is going to be $16.69. But again, taking off that $5 and that $4 digital coupon, which is a savings of $9, takes you down to $7.69, which isn't bad at all for both of those products together, considering the number 7 is normally $20 by itself. Just a reminder about that Nivea men's body wash deal is still going on. When you buy 3, you'll get back the $5 and Walgreens cash. Plus, you can use the code NIVEA. This is if you're doing an online deal, and get an additional $5 off, getting back the $5 in Walgreens cash, leaving you at just $5 or $1.66 each. Not bad. All right, guys, so here is everything that I'm going to do as a part of my spend deal. Hopefully all my coupons attached. I did make sure I clipped them all this time, unlike last time. So don't worry about any of them not coming off. So let's go check out and see how it all turns out. All right, guys, so here is my receipt. There is the Crest, the Oral-B, again, the Crest and the Oral-B, the Colgate, the Gain. All of my digital coupons came off with absolutely no issues at all. My subtotal was $24.98, $27.15. I put all of that on my PayPal debit card. I got back $10.44 in Walgreens cash for the digital spend booster, $10 in digital spend booster, and 44 cents for the everyday cash. But I only had 2 register rewards that printed out. The $5 for the Gain, and then I guess just one of the $4 for the Crest and Oral-B products. So my
$6 did not print out for that, and neither did my $3 for the Colgate printout. So what they did was she ended up giving me $10 in Walgreens cash because they love me here and she didn't want to do true transactions, so she just gave me $10. Don't forget to load your receipt to PG Good every day, you guys, because all of these except for the Colgate were Procter and Gamble products. Don't forget there is that promotion going on. When you spend a certain amount, you get two different you get a value gift card in the mail. So don't forget to load your receipt to PG Good every day. After it was all said and done, it ended up being a $3.29 moneymaker for me. It would have been a $2.29 moneymaker, but she gave me that extra $1, so thank you guys. Just to note, for this booster, it does expire like as of Friday, so don't hold on to it too long. You want to make sure you spend that sometime this week so you don't lose it. But yeah, that's it, you guys, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media accounts. Until the next time, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and God bless. Peace out.